Good morning.
Hi.
How can we help you?
I am looking for a part, please.
Yeah, sure.
It is a crank sensor.
For
on
which
a
vehicle?
Ford Ranger.
Do you have the VIN number for me, please?
Yes.
If you can give me the last 8 digits.
Okay. It is FDA
FDA
2999
2999
4.
4. And can I please have your name and phone number?
It is Amy. And it's 082
082.
3999
Yeah.
726.
And so your surname, Amy?
Buddha.
Sure, be within a second.
Okay. Thank you.
I do have one in stock. It's
Okay.
1,156.
Okay.
Would you like one?
Yes, please.
How are you going to pay? Cash or card?
With card.
Okay, 100%. I'm just quickly going to fetch the part for you. Be back
Thank
in a
you.
moment. Yeah, this is like the correct part.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, you can just sign there for me and you can pay there by the cashier.
Cool. Where? Here.
Yeah. You can take the invoice and just pay by the cashier. Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
That's it.
Hi.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good.
Then you have to sign here.
Okay. Cool. I'm just gonna tap.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.